Alright, so today I'm going to show you explosions, bubbles, big and small. Alright, so first, just put some water in some cups. It doesn't matter if they don't have to be these kinds. And take some dish soap, pour them in each cup. Alright, see that they're at the very bottom. All that gecky dish soap. Well, it's not very disgusting, but it looks disgusting. And so we need pepper and salt. So first, take some salt and put it in one. It doesn't have to be too much salt. And then take some pepper. Get some pepper in there. That's more pepper. If you can't see, I'm gonna fast forward it. Pepper all at the bottom. A clump, and then more right there. And then need 2 straws. Where are my 2 straws? Oh, 1 second. I forgot. Alright, I'm back. Put them in here. First, blow into it. By the way, this is the salt one. And always have glasses. Always. Always have glasses. Oh, it exploded. Scary. Oh, it exploded. Next, we're going to do pepper. Oh, it looked like it was throwing up. Oh, that was awesome. Pet, pet, pet. Down, down, down. By the way, you need lots of paper towels. Lots and lots and lots and lots. I have a lot. And that's how you do it. Never ever forget glasses. By the way, I got this from Project 2 MC. Thank you very much.